Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure IPO allotment. Getting shares in a hot, initial public offering can feel like winning the lottery, but there are smart strategies to boost your odds. We'll cover key steps to navigate the application process effectively. Understanding the factors that influence allotment is crucial for any investor looking to participate in new listings. Stay tuned to learn how to maximize your potential share allocation. To increase your chances, always apply for the maximum number of shares permitted in the retail investor category. This ensures you're considered for the largest possible allocation. Another effective strategy involves using multiple demat accounts from different family members. Each unique account can submit a separate application, multiplying your opportunities. Remember to always bid at the cutoff price, which is the highest price in the IPO's price band, to avoid disqualification. Many investors make simple mistakes that cost them an allotment. First, ensure all your application details are accurate and match your demat account information perfectly. Incorrect data leads to automatic rejection. Second, always apply for at least the minimum lot size specified. Bidding for fewer shares will invalidate your application. Finally, while aiming for allotment, always research the company's fundamentals. A good investment is more important than just getting shares. For those with higher capital, exploring the high net worth individual category can offer a different avenue for allotment, though competition can be intense. Partnering with a reputable broker who has a strong track record for efficient IPO applications is also beneficial. They can often provide valuable insights and streamline the process. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Remember, patience and a well-thought-out strategy are key to successful IPO investing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.